If Steam is giving you error code 105 and showing a server connection failed message, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem quickly. This is one of those errors that can look scary, but in many cases it's caused by a temporary connection issue, a VPN or proxy conflict, or a local network problem. So we'll go through the safest and most effective steps one by one. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should do is restart Steam completely. Don't just close the window. Make sure Steam is fully shut down. If needed, open Task Manager and end any Steam-related processes so nothing is still running in the background. After that, reopen Steam and check if the error is gone. If it's still there, restart your PC as well. A full restart can clear temporary network glitches, refresh background services, and fix a lot of simple connection issues with Steam. Once your computer turns back on, launch Steam again and test it before moving to the next step. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you might be using. Steam can sometimes have trouble connecting when a VPN is active, especially if the server route is unstable or the region is causing a mismatch. If you use a VPN app, turn it off completely, then try Steam again. If you have a proxy enabled in your Windows network settings, disable that too. To check this, go into your network or proxy settings and make sure no proxy is actively redirecting your connection. After disabling both VPN and proxy services, restart Steam once more and see whether the error code 105 disappears. If you still see the server connection failed message, the next fix is to reset your network DNS cache. This is a very common solution because corrupted DNS data can stop Steam from reaching its servers properly. To do this, press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. When the black command window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This step clears old network records and forces your system to fetch fresh connection information, which can often resolve Steam connection errors immediately. After that, close Command Prompt, then try opening Steam again. In many cases, one of these three steps will fix Steam error code 105 right away. If it still doesn't work, the issue may be related to your internet connection, firewall, or Steam's own servers, but these basic fixes are always the best place to start. Just to recap, restart Steam and your PC, disable VPN or proxy, and then reset your network DNS cache using Command Prompt as admin. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and hopefully Steam is back online for you now.